Water damage restoration in Maple Shade, New Jersey. From restoration specialists isn't just about fixing the damage. It's about getting your life back to normal. Water spreads fast and every second counts. You might not see the full impact right away. Water can seep deep into floors, walls, and insulation, causing hidden damage. Mold grows silently in damp spaces, affecting air quality and your health. We eliminate moisture at its source and treat affected areas to stop it from spreading. Some water damage is easy to miss until it's too late. Our advanced moisture detection tools find hidden threats before they turn into major repairs. Restoration is about more than drying out a space. It's about rebuilding it. We handle cleanup, repairs, and everything in between to make your property feel like home again. Insurance claims can feel overwhelming. We work with your provider to simplify the process so you don't have to stress. Call 609-669-2155 or visit restoration-specialist.com/areas-served/Burlington-County-NJ/Maple-Shade for expert water damage restoration in Maple Shade. Restoration specialists. From damage to restoration, we've got you covered.